The Radical Ranger tractor features an extraordinary setup: 3 Lincoln Zephyr H Series 512 engines powering a single machine. Originally introduced in the 1930s, the 75 degrees V12 was based on Ford's flathead V8 design, producing 110 horsepower at 3,900 revolutions per minute with a flat torque curve for strong top gear performance. It featured aluminum alloy heads, cast steel pistons, and dual water pumps. Although early versions suffered from oil and cooling issues, later improvements included hydraulic lifters and cast iron heads. Once used in rare British cars like Allard and Gros Superior, this historic V12 now lives on in a wildly modified farming beast. The Russian V12 diesel tank engine, known as the V2, was developed in the 1930s and became the foundation of Soviet and Russian armored vehicles. This 38.8-liter liquid-cooled engine features a 60-degree V-angle, dual overhead camshafts per bank, 4 valves per cylinder, and direct fuel injection. The Rolls-Royce Merlin is a legendary British 27-liter liquid-cooled V12 piston aero engine, first run in 1933. Initially named PV12, it was later renamed Merlin after a bird of prey. Designed as a private venture, it incorporated experience from earlier racing engines. The Merlin powered iconic aircraft such as the Spitfire, Hurricane, and Avro Lancaster. Entering service in 1936, it underwent continuous development to enhance performance and reliability. Early versions produced around 1,000 horsepower, while later models exceeded 2,000 horsepower. The Merlin became a symbol of British engineering excellence during World War II and played a vital role in Allied air superiority. The Gnome 7-cylinder rotary engine, developed by Société des Moteurs Gnome in early 20th century France, was a pioneering power plant in aviation history. Featuring a unique design where the cylinders and crankcase rotated around a fixed crankshaft, it offered excellent cooling and a strong power-to-weight ratio. Air-cooled and arranged in a single row, the engine used a total-loss castor oil lubrication system. It powered many World War I aircraft and helped achieve key aviation milestones. Its innovative design made it reliable and efficient for early flight applications. The Alvis Leonides is a British 9-cylinder, air-cooled radial engine developed by the Alvis Car and Engineering Company in 1936. Designed by Captain George T. Smith Clark, the prototype 9 Argentine pesos produced 450 horsepower and weighed 693 lb. By 1947, Alvis introduced the Series 500 for airplanes and Series 520 for helicopters. The engine saw production use in aircraft like the Percival Prince and Westline Dragonfly. A later version, the Series 530, increased output to 640 horsepower with a displacement of 11.8 liters and power around 550 horsepower. The Leonides was Britain's last high-powered piston aero engine, ending production in 1966. The Pratt & Whitney R4360 Wasp Major was a 28-cylinder, 4-row air-cooled radial engine nicknamed Corncob due to its helical cylinder arrangement for optimal cooling. With a displacement of 4,362.5 cu-in, it produced up to 4,300 horsepower in advanced models. Featuring a geared supercharger and propeller drive, the engine was powerful but maintenance-intensive, requiring care to avoid spark plug fouling during startup. The Gnome Monosoupape rotary engine, first introduced in 1913, was a groundbreaking design by the Gnome Engine Company. It replaced complex valve systems with a single exhaust valve and internal transfer ports, greatly improving reliability. Widely produced under license, it powered aircraft across Europe, Russia, and the US. Known for its rotating cylinder assembly, total loss caster oil lubrication, and simplified ignition, the Monosoupape was praised for its innovation and influence on early aviation development. The Grumman G164 AgCat is one of the first dedicated agricultural biplanes introduced in the 1950s to meet the growing demand for mechanization and modernization in agriculture. Powered by a Pratt and Whitney R1340 radial piston engine, the AgCat features a rugged design well suited for the harsh operating conditions of farmland. Starting the engine requires precise steps, such as activating the ignition system, priming the fuel, adjusting the throttle, and monitoring oil pressure during the warm-up process. Its durability and reliable performance have made the AgCat a popular choice in the agricultural aviation industry. The Maybach HL 230 was a 23-liter, 60-degrees V12 water-cooled petrol engine used in German tanks like the Panther, Tiger II, and Jagdtiger during World War II. Producing up to 700 PS, it featured a cast-iron block, 4 twin-choke carburetors, and dual magnetos. This powerful engine replaced the earlier HL 210 and weighed around 1,200 kilograms. Universal engine mount, dynamometer for power/load measurement, and optional propeller test system. It includes vibration analysis, data acquisition tools for monitoring engine parameters, and ancillary equipment. Safety systems like drip trays, vibration mounts, and emergency shutdown ensure safe, efficient engine testing. The Monte Carlo SS Pro Street is a heavily modified version of the classic Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS, built for high-performance drag racing. It features a powerful V8 engine, often enhanced with superchargers or turbos. Key upgrades include massive rear tires, a narrowed rear axle, roll cage, upgraded suspension, and a racing-style interior. While race-ready, it retains street-legal essentials like lights and mirrors, combining aggressive performance with bold aesthetics for both track and street presence. The 50-horsepower vintage oil-filled engine was crucial during the early development of the oil and gas industry. Its strong output made it ideal for powering heavy equipment used in drilling and extraction. Running on accessible fuels like kerosene or natural gas, the engine was efficient and practical in remote oil fields. It symbolized a shift toward mechanization in a time when infrastructure was limited, helping lay the foundation for future industrial advancements in energy production. A standout feature of this engine was its hit-and-miss governor system, which conserved fuel by only firing when needed to maintain speed. This created the iconic chug-chug sound, a hallmark of early industrial engines. The system improved efficiency and reduced mechanical wear, while the engine's simple design made it easy to repair in the field. These qualities made it highly dependable for operations in remote, rugged environments, where reliability and low maintenance were critical. Today, the engine is valued as a historical artifact and a symbol of early 20th century engineering. Often restored for display at museums and shows, it captures the mechanical ingenuity of its time. Preserving these engines helps showcase the resilience and creativity that powered early industrial innovation and inspires interest in the roots of modern technology.